Hello everyone, welcome to Sleeveless. I'm gonna make a blouse out of this old dress of mine. Let's do this together. You can cut to the length that fits you better. I like to feel this material very much. It's very soft and comfortable. You can already tell when you look at it, but this material really stretch as well. And you also have really interesting pattern. Next video, I'm gonna make a little cute vest go with it. After finish cutting the length, now we're gonna cut two long sleeves to go with it. You can also decide with the length or the sleeve that fits you better. The color from the dress, just the right size length for my sleeve. I measured 5.5 inches for the sleeve bottom opening. Then you just connect it from the bottom to the top of the sleeve opening. Always remember to add 1/2 inch for sewing. Now we can cut it. It's about 1/2 inch for the highest point, and you cut a little curve at the front of the sleeve for the better fit. After we get one side of the sleeve, and now we're gonna do the opposite on the other side of the sleeve. Now we can just trace in the sleeve and cut it off. Now we got both sides of the sleeve. Our cutting is complete. I'm overlocking the sleeves. After overlocking, we sew in over the bottom of the blouse first. Now it's time to install the sleeves. We're gonna enclose both sleeves first. After you enclose the sleeve, we're gonna pin the sleeve to the sleeve opening. We pin it on the bottom first and then to the top. Because the way the old sleeve openings finish, I will install this sleeve a little differently than normal. I will leave the edge of the sleeve opening showing. It just have a different look to it. I'm so appreciated for everyone's support. If you enjoy watching my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would like to make more fun sewing projects. I just follow the sleeve opening edge and sew all the way around the opening. After this sleeve is done, we do the exact same thing on the other sleeves. After both sleeves complete, I got a new blouse. Hope you like it. Please check the link here for more sewing projects. I will see you all next time.